Good morning, everyone. This is Gail with TradershelpDesk, and this morning I wanted to go over the new platform, just the basics. And I'm going to bring up a forex chart. Let's look at the euro dollar, and we'll go to the 5 a.m. and I can just click on the chart icon here and bring up the chart. Now, a few things that are different. Notice that we no longer have a top menu here. You have to left click on the chart, and that gives you the menu across the bottom of the chart. Also notice that you have the red and blue boxes, but you need to scroll inside your window to see all of these strike prices. So again, knowing your strike width will help you to know, hey, you know, there's a strike here at 0794. There should be another one at 0790. Now, also notice that you have a blue box here, which is for buying, and then you have a red box here for selling. So, for example, let's say that I wanted to buy the euro right now. I simply click, and the order window will pop up, and I can enter the order. And as you can see over here, I'm now +1 above 1.0794. Now this box is red because I am losing money at this point. The blue portion of the screen is simply showing me where price needs to expire in order for me to make money on the binary option. Now also notice that you can change the resolution by simply clicking on any of the resolutions at the bottom. You can also change the chart style by clicking types and customize candlestick, line, high, low, open, close, or a mountain price bar chart. We also can add the indicators. Notice that they're listed alphabetically. So for example, if I wanted to put the stochastics on here, which is one of my favorites, I just simply click Q to T, stochastics, and you can see it adds the stochastics on here. If I want to do any type of drawings, I can click here. I can go to horizontal line. Notice the black line that was just added to my chart. I can now move that line anywhere on my chart. In addition to the horizontal line, you can also do Fibonacci's. You can draw arrows, rectangles. You can add text, show a trend line, draw triangles or vertical lines. If you click on layout, you can actually save the layout so that each chart will load the way that you have designed it in the future. You can also show your drawings, your indicators, your open positions, working orders. Anything that is highlighted in blue is currently showing on the chart. So for example, if I wanted to take all the indicators off at one time, I just select indicators and they disappear. Of course, I can always add them back on by simply selecting indicators. Now you can also select the mid, and this means it's showing you the midpoint at the current moment. You can also select last traded or the bid or the ask. Now this is all up to you. And again, it just simply changes what the price bar is showing. To exit the position, you can simply click on the +1 and it will automatically highlight the sell for you. And then you can actually place the order. Now, you can also set a profit target by selecting the +1 and then selecting the profit target that you want to exit. In this case, I've already selected a profit target of 90. So if price moves up and the price gets to 90, of course I would exit, as long as there was another seller willing to sell at that price.